Hello friends, welcome back to Geetu's healthy cooking series. Now today would you like to bring some sunshine into your life? I mean to say that let's do something which can give you vitamin D from your diet. We all know vitamin D is a very important vitamin for the health of our bones and teeth, and people are under the impression that vitamin D can only be got from the sun when you expose yourself to sun, but there are certain ingredients which can also provide you with vitamin D, and luckily for vegans we have a vegan sunshine soup today. So I'm going to make a vitamin D rich soup with mushrooms. So let's see the ingredients for the soup. I have 5 to 6 mushrooms. Wash the mushrooms and use them. I have half a sweet potato. I've used the purple one with the purple skin. I have 3 to 4 florets of broccoli. I have a small bowl full of kale leaves. I have half onion, red onion, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies, the pink Himalayan salt, and I have half teaspoon of black pepper powder. I have used only 1 teaspoon of unrefined sesame seed oil. Now I also have this ingredient called Asafoetida, which we just need a pinch. It enhances your digestive ability. So I have just used this bottle to show, so that when you go to the Asian grocers, you can ask for Asafoetida. They can provide you with this ingredient. Okay, so first of all, the water that I'm going to use to liquidize the soup later on, I have used 5 cups of water, of which 2 cups I have heated up in another pan. Now I've just heated it to 37 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to dip all these mushrooms in the pan for 20 minutes. Now this is just so that we don't overheat the mushrooms and we don't lose the nutrients and the vitamin D. So I'm going to separately place all these mushrooms in this hot water, cover them with a lid and leave for 20 minutes while I get the other ingredients ready in the pressure cooker. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is, while the mushrooms get a little cooked, I'm going to put the other 3 ingredients, the sweet potato, the broccoli and the kale leaves, into a pressure cooker. In this there are 3 cups of water, and I've already preheated the water a little. I'm just going to peel the sweet potato and add all the 3 into the pressure cooker. So let's peel. So I have put the sweet potato, I've peeled and chopped them, added the sweet potato, the broccoli florets and the kale into the water. I'm going to just pressure cook them. So let's cover it with the lid. I'm going to leave it to pressure cook for just 2 whistles, and in the meanwhile I'm going to use the garlic, the onions and the green chilies with the sesame oil, saute it a little and get it ready. Okay, now this is done. I have pressure cooked only for 2 whistles. Now I'm going to move it off this hob to a cooler place so that we can take the steam out, cool this a little, and I have also left the onion, garlic and the green chilli which I have sauteed to cool. And once they are cool, then I'm going to blend them together with the black pepper powder and the pink Himalayan salt. Okay, now another one tip I just want to say that if I take these vegetables out into the pan where I had just cooked the garlic, onion and the green chilies, it will cool down faster so that it will become easier for us to blend it into a nice smooth soup. Now you remember we had also left the mushrooms in the hot water for 20 minutes. We are going to check the mushrooms. Hopefully it would be ready because it's already 20 minutes now. So I'm just going to leave this open for it to cool down faster. The mushrooms are ready. They have been in the water, hot water for 20 minutes and they are soft. So they are ready to be blended with all these ingredients. Once these cool down, we are going to blend everything together with the remaining water into a fine paste and then just add the black pepper powder and the pink Himalayan salt. Okay, so everything has cooled down. Now I'm going to just pour it into our NutriBullet and blend it to a fine smooth soup. So friends, you have seen how easy it is to make your own sunshine soup at home. And you can get lots of supply of vitamin D, as I've already mentioned that mushrooms are naturally rich in vitamin D. They also contain proteins, and I've also selected the kale and the broccoli with the idea that broccoli also contains protein and loads of magnesium and calcium, and kale is very rich in calcium and iron, which is even higher than spinach. So all those people who have a tendency to get renal stones or renal calculi because of the presence of high oxalates in spinach, they have to avoid spinach. You can substitute it with kale because kale is even having higher content of iron and calcium than spinach. And kale also has the advantage of containing the omega-3 fatty acids. Plus, it also contains antioxidants like zeaxanthin, lutein, beta-carotene. They're all good for the eye or the health of the eye. And in the old age, using kale can really support the retina health. So if you enjoyed this recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.